will always work in this position for the most part anyway, unless it's broken. But the line roll is not working. A lot of loolies, huh? That's not good. That is not good. Let's see if we're missing any parts to this thing here. Where's the schematic here? Here is our schematic. Okay, let's see the schematic here. Let's go to the line roller and see what is going on. Well, you only got 3 parts, it says here. E1, E2, and E3. That is it. That is it. You get a screw, and 3 would be washer. This is the roller, and another, not the washer, but the roller. Look like a roller. This is a washer. E1, E2, and E3. You got any names to these guys here? Okay. E2, E3, E2, E3, 2 and 3. 2 line roller. 3 is a bushing. 1, 2, 3. E1, E2, E3. E1, E washer. Bale assembly, no. That's interesting. Now we've got what? E1, right here, E1, then 2 and 3. Usually 1, 2, 3. What is E1? E1 is, I guess, O1, then you get E1. E1 is a washer. E1 is the washer. E1, washer, we had that, the roller, and what was 3? Bushing. We in bushing. So we'll take this apart here. Take this guy out here and turn it here. Though, you would think that there would be like another washer right inside here. You would think that there would be a washer right here before we would get to the bail arm. But I don't see none. I don't see none. I don't see none at all. Well, anyway, let's put this guy here and try to put it together here, and we're going to try one more time. If it doesn't work, we got an issue, and I don't know what it is. Probably defective bell arm. Move it by hand first here. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's supposed to have a washer in there. That's what I think. But it doesn't say. It's moving now. It's moving now when it's loose. I'm going to try to tighten up a little bit. See what happens. Okay, it's going. Maybe to make it tight, and it might still work. I don't know. Okay, it's already stopped rotating. Yeah. It's not rotating right, for sure. It is not rotating right. Okay. Nope. Rips, huh? Nope. not working. Okay, it's not working, and crank this all back in. And then that works good. Make it a little tighter here and see what's up. Yeah, that works. It works when you have the double go around, but let's see the single. Okay, the single's not working. It's not working. It is not working. Anyway, I don't see no debris in it at all, but anyway, so this guy's not working. So, anyway. So, don't know, but it is not working. Not good. Yep, so anyway, that will be the end. We're gonna have this email tasking filled in the first hour. Line roller is not working properly. Anyway, again, WWJ whipping with Joe. This carbon, Zephyr carbon 4000. Aloha.